Hey everybody, here's our Christmas tree. Beautiful, hey? But that's not what I really want to talk about. I want to talk about this little 21.5-inch iMac, which is a 2015 model. It has a little crack on the screen right there. Let's see, there we go. And apparently the hard drive wasn't working and maybe power, so basically wouldn't boot. So I bought it pretty cheaply and took the screen off very carefully and cleaned everything, cleaned all the dirt and dust and everything out. I reinstalled the operating system and then upgraded to Big Sur, and as you can see, it's actually working fine, no problems whatsoever. So I guess I'll be selling this one soon once I get a proper keyboard, because I'm only using an old Windows keyboard and mouse at the moment. So yeah, see you everybody, Merry Christmas.